Hey guys, what is going on? And this is going to be part 2 on how to build a motorcycle. Part 1 was how you build this. So yeah, let's go to part 2. This isn't going to be as organized as the previous part, but it still is going to be fun. A bit longer, which I think that a lot of you guys like longer videos. You guys are going to have to put that down in the comments. If you like smaller videos into parts or one massive video that's really massive. So yeah, you guys are going to get to see funny parts and not so funny parts in this. No editing, no nothing. This is 100% raw. I said it raw. It is 100% raw, so let us begin. You're gonna need one of these 2x4 dark gray pieces. It is very dark gray. That is very good. Darn tootin'. Yay, let us begin. Ooh, one more time. So yeah, after you got that, no, you're not going to add this yet, but soon. Soon, I said soon. Yes, I did say it soon. In fact, I kind of want to add a feature where if you flip upside down, you can still drive. But for the most part, right now, no. So now one white 2x4. That's very good. Now take this white. This is mainly going to be white, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, you guys can change it to any color. But for the most part, it's going to be white. This is pretty much going to be like a... Actually, no. Not yet for the wings. But right now, you want to make sure you get a 6x2 piece on both sides, so 6x2, like this. Now the wheels are covered, and then soon it's gonna look something like this, or like this. So yeah, that's going to look pretty dope. Or something like this. It's going to look pretty cool, but it's going to be more like, I don't know, a bit further out, but still. Now to extend the vehicle out wide. So yeah. Sorry if I'm talking very loudly. My family is very loud. Well, people are very loud. Not you guys still, unless of course you are. But I'm not going to judge you. No judging here. So don't you guys dare say don't judge me in the comment section. Great, now people are going to say don't judge me. I am not a judger. Only Judge Judy. Oh, right. Very good. Track. So yeah, these are 2 6s. This is a gray, like, theme. 2, 4. These are 2 1x4s. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, maybe that would be good. So then I need to get everything up to that level. So yeah, I'm gonna do this, then a bit of that, and just that for the moment. So yeah. What's next? This is a mess. So then you take these like this. I don't know how big, but I don't know, maybe 2 block big piece. And do that. Now that looks snazzy. Then, yeah, I need to get it up to there. So, 4. So that means that I need to put. Actually, I can just do this, and that could look. And this already is looking pretty aerodynamic. Cause that point. Actually, no. These can go over here, or sorry, over here, like a so-so. Or if I were to touch them right now, I probably wouldn't do much right now. Like this, maybe. No, it just made me look tactical. But it would give some tactical points, I'm not gonna lie. Whatever tactical means. But right now, so yeah, this needs to be right where? Now I gotta find those pieces. Where the crap are they? Where the literal crap are they? Crap, it's 5%, which means I'm going to plug this in real quick. Sorry if you guys are hearing the background noise. That is actually in my room. Well, not quite my room, but my recording room. So that's now charged. Now that's charged. So let us continue with the tutorial. Found one. Found one of 2. Now I gotta find the second. Wherever the second is. Where is the second one? I can't seem to find anything. It's literally all other pieces. Oh my gosh. Oh. I can do. 1. Or I could just do these 2. Put this. And then a little of a little bit of that, and then a little bit of this. Okay, so I found something that works a lot better, so yeah. So yeah, now that I found those 2 great things, put them onto these little red things. No, wait. No, that's not at all what I was doing. And put them onto the wings of your cool tactical thing. Whatever tactical means. So yeah, now that you got the wings, now you gotta add them. Which means, yes. Good. Okay, so yeah. It turns out that we aren't quite there yet. Great. Oh my gosh. Red and red. No, wait. Here is a red one. Yippee. Great. This is going to be very colorful once I'm done. So yeah. Now I got to, add them like this now. Yes. I found it. Great. That is really awesome. And is it touching the wheel at all? Nope. Though something does bother me. I don't get why. But I don't know why it's not spinning correctly. Oh, there we go. A little bit of mess up, but I got through it. Now put that on the other side. And then boom! Goes the dynamite. I said boom. Then do a little bit of this. And then a little bit of that. And then a little bit that, dish. Whatever. Boom! This adds to the 3D, right? Boom! I say it, boom. Okay, so. Boom. Now we gotta make it so then it can also fly. Which means tactical tactics. Whatever that means. I've been hearing it around town. But I'm not telling you which town I've been hearing it around. But yeah. 11 minutes in. Wow. Already. Now, I mainly like the sides because they're the most manageable. Like, they're the most creative parts, so yeah. Now, I'm gonna do a quick little tutorial. Now take this and this, flip this around, make sure that that's on the bump side, whatever. Boom! Now it looks more like a tank than a motorcycle, but in actuality it's a motorcycle. I think that it looks pretty tactical. And then when you add a little bit of this, so I keep on moving my tripod because it's not accurate or whatever. So yeah, now it looks pretty cool, right? Now you gotta add your character. I'm going to do 2 characters. Yeah. You could do up to about... I'm going to check here. Because I only have a limited amount of characters right now. But right now you could do up to... if that wasn't there, you could do up to 4 characters. Though a motorcycle is really only for 2. And it looks like some 2 people are going to go home. Huh? Pun City. Are going to go to someone's home. So yeah. So yeah. This is how to do, and you guys could keep on adding to it. I mean, this is a quick tutorial, but you know, you guys could start adding like swords. Actually, I'm gonna add a sword, 2 swords right now, you know, as long as I can find the pieces in time before stuff. But yeah. So it's up to me and you. You know what we gotta do. Oh my gosh, crap, I should probably not sing that song. Because it's copyright and I don't want to copyright. Yep. Copyright is so annoying. And especially for someone like me who's not very... No. That's, alright. I added 1 sword over here. I'm gonna get rid of this carrot. Oh my gosh. These keep on falling off, so if you have that problem and if you have any bigger pieces, like something like these, those would work a lot better, but I know that I have one of these around now. around somewhere, but I can't seem to find it. I'm gonna check under the table. No. Sorry if you guys hear any background noise. Oh my gosh, I don't know what. So yeah, tactical stuff. Super tactical. Ooh, this is also a good idea. You could put them like on this wing facing that way. And then over like this. And it still is getting that cool little aerodynamicness. But yeah. And then if you were to like do something like that, now it looks like it's speeding by, creating flames. You see? Yeah. Alrighty, I also gotta add that hover feature. So, in order to add that, well, flying feature, I'm going to add these so anywhere that you can fit it, like if you were to put something like this on like here. Alright, you also gotta add an engine, so yeah, I'm gonna put that right like that. Just making sure that everything's okay and working fine. So yeah, anywhere that you can put them, do it. Just do it. Now, it's super tactical because I'm gonna get rid of some Legos that are in the way. So yeah, now I'm going to set the scene. There's one man on one journey to figure out how fast is his motorcycle. In order to do that, he's gonna have to do wheelies and other cool stuff. Now, as he revs his engine, he starts off with a wheelie. He hits a ramp. He goes, barely missing the curb, driving through a bunch of other stuff. Does a flip. Woo! Lands perfectly, as if there was no problem in the world. Then, as he's speeding by, someone attacks him. Do you want to know who? The minions! Then it's like, nuh-uh, you can go down in flames. And because it's super fast, he has like flames. Like look at this. Fire. Then it's over. Okay, that was pretty cool, I'm gonna have to admit. So yeah, guys, please like, subscribe, yeah. I'll see ya!